G'day, I'm currently in Shenzhen and a typhoon's approaching outside near Bao'an Airport. I'm next to the Zoyi factory. I visited them today and they kindly showed me around and they showed me this brand new version of the LCR meter, the Tweezers. That's the new LCR ZT-MD2. Comes in this nice and secure foam case. We've got the user manual. They've included a little board with a whole bunch of resistors. We can use that for calibration. USB-A to C cable. It will be useful for updating the firmware. Warning, use prohibited for non-professionals. Do not measure voltages above 36 volts. So do not plug this into AC mains. So here are the tweezers. You can get in nice and close with. Yeah, nice for gripping. There are 3 Phillips screws on the back and this is made of aluminium. You've got 4 buttons here. Got some laser engraving. It's a really, really nice build quality. So let's turn it on. Get the Zoyi. So it's automatic mode. Resistance. Capacitance. Inductance. Diode test mode. This can do 0.1, 0.3, and 0.6 volts, and you can change the frequency as well. So let's go to the next mode. Voltage. So you can measure the voltage. You can use it just like a multimeter, and it seems to be able to detect the polarity. So we could take this little battery here and measure the voltage. So it's 4.166. Nice. And we've got scanning, so let's grab a 100 ohm resistance. So it's at 100 ohms, and it's just going through and cycling through each of the frequencies. It's about 100-ish, so that's pretty good. Next up, we've got the signal generator. So this is where the manual can come in handy. You've got the select button here. This is the back or exit button on the far left. So we can select again and change the signal. So those are all the different modes. If you plug that into an oscilloscope, you'd be able to see the waveform. Try and exit. There we go. Okay, now it's automatic mode. Let's see if it automatically picks up the voltage. Cool. That is picking up the voltage automatically. And then let's change to resistance. Put a grip. There we go. That's better. Maybe I'm touching it. That's weird. Yeah. Cool. So for diode, you really need to have like 3 volts if you're going to test. If you want to test something like an LED with the forward voltage of 3 volts, you really need like a 3-volt diode tester. So that doesn't quite work, but you can use it for other things if you'd like. Got this really nice screen. Wow. But yeah, let's check out the settings. Hold down the left button. So go between Chinese and English. Direction. I've actually set this. If I select the direction. Oh no, turn it off. So let's hold that on. Go down. Select. Okay. So you have to click and it goes yellow, and then you can go back. So you can do automatic, so it will automatically rotate between left and right. But I actually prefer just to have it fixed on the right, so I will change it to right. There we go. It's back again. Get the backlight. Let's see. That's pretty dull. Go up to 100. Select back down. I don't really like the beep, so let's turn that off. Back. Get the timer. I guess it's an automatic timing speed. I've changed that to slow. Can change it to mid or fast. It defaults to mid, so let's change it back to default. Get the model. Have to read the manual here. I think you can disable certain functions. Let's have a go. So if we go into this, RCL, take out diode, take out voltage, take out scanning, take out signal. Okay, so it's bare bones. You can calibrate using this, so you can go to calibration mode if you like, restore defaults and check the current firmware. It's version 1.22. So let's go back. Okay, hold to go back. So automatic resistance, capacitance, inductance. So now it's just got auto RCL. It's just going between those four because of the settings. So that's the bare bones settings. Let's change it back to all of them. So the function, this is really fast, so that's nice. Down, back, hold for back, and then now we've got all the modes just cycling through. It only cycles forward though in this main menu, so you can just use the third button to quickly skip between each of the modes. So that's pretty cool. If you're using this for one specific purpose, you might want to just turn off all the functions and just select the one that you want. That is so cool. Oh, that is the ZT-MD2, just a quick demonstration, not really a review. But yeah, the build quality seems really nice. That is the USB-C port. But yeah, it's the ZT-MD2. So thanks for watching.